What's going on, everybody? So this year, something happened to me that's never happened to me in almost several decades of me riding a motorcycle. I had my first flat tire this year. So on a group ride, headed down Maryland Route 200, and I noticed my bike was feeling a little funny. And basically I pulled over, had a flat tire, rear tire was flat. First time it's ever happened to me, right? Weirdest thing. But, it can happen. People get flat tires. And I want to give special shout outs to Bike Tyson. Check his channel out, Bike Tyson. He actually, I called him up. He came around and plugged my flat for me. So that got me to thinking, what if I was by myself? What would I have done? Basically, I would have had to call for somebody to either tow my bike or get a ride. I would have had to go and pick up my trailer, come pick up my bike or whatever, right? So I said, well, what can I do? Also, that can help me out in case I got a flat somewhere where I was too far away. Well, Bike Tyson had a tire plug kit. And so that prompted me to purchase a tire plug kit. This is actually a specific kit that I bought off of Amazon. It's called Air Plugger. It was only like $10 for it. So if you open it up, it comes with the plugs. It comes with the tools. Really simple to use. More or less, let me put this in here like one thing at a time. You put this in here like that. You screw the cap back on. And as you can see, make a handle. So you can ream it out. Then you replace it with this. Then you have a little rubber plug kit that you will plug into the back of the tire. And if you got like a little pocket knife, you can cut off the little excess and keep it moving. I also purchased some rubber cement. Doesn't really need it, but doesn't help. I mean, it could help out a little bit. There's only a few bucks for this. Altogether, this probably cost me 15 bucks. And I keep it in my bike just in case I need it. Now, got the tire plug. What do we do for air? Okay, because basically still got a flat tire. Decided to add this. This is the Fantic vehicle air kit, plug kit. Air pump. You take it off, and as you can see, it comes on. You can set whatever air pressure you want, and it'll pump up the tire for you. So where do I keep all this? Actually, this is able to sit right down in here like this. I actually had to cut off a little piece of plastic right up in here. I reamed it out and was able to push the tube up in there, and it sits there nice and flat. Plug kit, I actually put inside of my hump. So I have a backpack that I keep on inside of the hump of my Hayabusa, and I keep all this inside of my hump in a backpack. So wherever I go, I have an air pump. And this thing is also USB-C rechargeable because obviously it's rechargeable. So it might be something you want to think about. You could be out by yourself, or basically able to help somebody else out to get a flat tire. Oh, and this little piece right here, that's where I keep my registration. It's magnetic. Sits on there like that. Boom. Doesn't move. I'm gonna leave a link to this right here. Actually, Costco had these on sale this week for $50. And they sent me $40, and they're normally like 50 something, $60. So it's probably some Christmas special they have going on or whatever. But works pretty good. Always got to be prepared. You never know what might happen, especially if you're riding by yourself. All right, thank you. Like, subscribe, share, appreciate it. Hope this can help you out a little bit. Ride safe.